Hi everyone, it's Christina. I'm really happy to see you here today. Right now I'm taking a quiet moment in the hallway, focusing on a simple reset that helps the whole space feel more calm and welcoming. I always feel like this area sets the tone for everything else, so even a small refresh here can change the overall mood at home. I really enjoy these slow routines. They're not about doing something big or complicated, just a steady, gentle rhythm that brings everything back into balance. The space starts to feel lighter, clearer, and more comfortable. There is something very calming about watching the room shift little by little. The light feels softer, the atmosphere becomes more relaxed, and everything around you starts to feel more organized. For me, moments like this are a way to pause and reset. No rush, no pressure, just a bit of time to focus on the space and let everything settle. I like keeping things simple and quiet, letting the process speak for itself. Even a small change can make the whole home feel different. Thank you for spending this calm moment with me. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.